Hey guys, it's Jen here, and I wanted to come on today to bring through an energy to support you in connecting with your true divine unity consciousness, connecting into the fifth dimensional energy and frequency, and so that we're able to not only anchor that within ourselves and our bodies and this earth, but to assist all with that experience. It's been coming up a lot in sessions lately where there's this energy of feeling alone and separate, right? Where we're really in this belief that we're not one with everything, right? Because we have this separate body and we've been existing in this space where, you know, we don't feel connected, we don't feel supported, we often may feel alone. And those are the energies that the ego assists us in connecting within that third dimension. And so as we are in this space, in this place of transition, of connecting in and back into unity consciousness, where we feel the oneness, there's this mutual connection with all of nature, with each other, and we begin to dissolve those layers of separation within ourselves, and so that we perceive and we connect beyond the illusion of separation. And so whatever this, I'm just asking the energy to come through to assist you in where you're at today, so that we can remember the oneness, the sense of home and connection that is our true divine nature. So sit back, close your eyes, receive, and just know that whatever is optimal for you to experience with this light language, just know that that is true, and anything that doesn't resonate won't work for you, and that's fine too. So just be open, maybe perhaps take a few breaths and expand your energy, and we'll let the energy come through. And again, with the intention for us to remember oneness, remembering and existing in fifth dimensional unity consciousness. Okay? Ane elore inamaro oro o salana, ietonoro shotoro korosile ia. Annelore neaneo, honorea saleaiu, amororea neo, dolana leono, dolora sadanamere shotoruko parasele yenere shotoriane me elekia, ishane esele ia. Enele shotoro shoruya salamoro oaya salayanoro oroshi ele iki. Hanale sotoro shanami ele oro shoto suyani ele kero sotoriki. And this is this energy of reconnecting with all that you are. Every dimension, every lifetime in which you have existed and are existing, we're asking you to reconnect. Reconnect with your inner child, reconnect with your angelic self, your galactic self, and all aspects of your being. Asking that to come into the wholeness and oneness of you now. Ele shosoyaneme, elo shotosele eshetime, esotoriara shatoriana merekiane ileki. Ela reshedesania ele enene shotuliana sotoria para shotoro korosale e. Hanere shotoro sola ale I ko are esotoro yeshede koroshadi eseli idi mi iliki. Ale esotoro yesale yenemere shotoro sile ele ale no kor uso. Hanara shotoro sotoria shade kumasale yene ele koro ale enere shete selaya ayoa yasi. Hanala le shotolo shana salare shoto solo shati I. Hanere shoto sanamere shoto sa ahre shotoro oro shu nareme ikiana. Hanele ho ana iu. Holo Dolores Salona yo Odiane Anna yo Dolorea yo Dolores Sanaya Maya yo Oalale olnia doloro aya sololi dola shanamoro sotoro shotosi anamara shotolwa Hilare shotolo satana sotole la kareshe selene elele shotolo sataname elikia. Activating our higher hearts, our sacred connection to all that is. Kalayanele kuti iso. Anadama salayene elede sotolor shata salayene e shete si iya. Hanalaya shotorar shatasani elekare ishotoro o sotoro oro shutuyi ana. Amara salara shotono oro shoto sotoro ki. And the more we're able to hold this vibration in our bodies and bring it forth into this earth, it has this ripple effect to all of humanity. So as you assist and embody this yourself, you are contributing to the whole. Ela kara shotono sala yenemere shotoro koro usala yenemere shetedi iseli ile ele oro suturia. Elene ele oro ushandana asatana na yatotoro koro utana mara shatala yeneleki eanare sotolo yene ele elana yasatana na mera sotoro koro usi hanalaria shotono yanama ala yenele elo koro washata sala yete ele koro u hanara sotoro oro ushatata na mara sata yene eshana satala yanaleki. So we're just really kind of opening up this higher heart and the throat and the heart, just opening up. And let's go ahead and imagine our divine light, our divine heart light expanding, encompassing all that space around you, beyond the space you're in. Just expand really big, really vast, really bright. Koparasha no oro shoto sala ela karo shoto lo yete nemere e sotoria la kariana no korsu. Hala ara shoto lorea asana yele el no sotolia. Haya no lea ya ila ne o lea no lo ane o ele yo. Ulare shotono mara satayano shotoro oro sotoliati iakasa hatala ara satalaria ne elekiatoro roya sali itili i komara sotono no shotoniana me sotoliana mara ala aro shotolo koro sataliere elekiata. All right, so just knowing that these energies, the sounds, the frequencies that come through are encoded and they're not meant to be understood or translated. The messages that come through when I speak are not necessarily the exact interpretation of the energy. So just be willing to get beyond the mind's desire to want to define things and understand, and just let this come in fully. Let it be embodied and received by all aspects of you. All right, so back into the oneness as we go, which is organically happening for all of us, just at different times. So lots of love. Again, this is Jen Cunnings, and if you would like to reach out to me, you can find me at jencunnings.com. All right, take care. Sending lots of love. Bye-bye.